Good morning and welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update. During the Asian session today, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand decided to raise the official cash rate by 25 basis points to 2.75, while the bank statement was even more hawkish than what the market was expecting, as the bank stated that the interest rates could increase by 125 basis points this year and may rise to 5% in 2017. The New Zealand dollar spiked up to as high as 0.8566, despite the fact that the decision was fully priced in. However, the positive outlook pushed the kiwi higher across the board. During the same session, Australia's jobs report came in much better than expected. The economy added 47.3 thousand jobs in February, while the most important point here is that January figures has been revised up to a creation of 18,000 jobs instead of losing 3.7 thousand jobs. While unemployment rate is stabilized at 6%, the Aussie dollar recovers above 0.90 as interest rate cut speculations eased back following 2 months of jobs creation. Going forward to the European session today, there is no major economic releases will be released. France CPI set to rise by 0.4% in February after a decline of minus 0.6 in January. In the US, we'll be focusing on a collection of economic figures, which will be the key for today, as further deterioration will raise more questions whether the bad weather is the reason behind the economic weakness or it's the QE tapering effect. US retail sales may rise by 0.3% in February, comparing to a decline of 0.4% in January. During the same period also, core retail sales may rise by 0.2% versus no growth. Weekly jobless claims is expected to rise further to 334,000 last week, up from 323 claims the week before. Furthermore, import prices is anticipated to rise by 0.6% in February, comparing to a decline of 0.1% in January. And finally, business inventory is expected to grow by 0.4% in January, comparing to a rise of 0.5% in December last year. Despite the fact that there are no economic releases during the European session today, high volatility is expected to continue as global tensions remains. Safe haven assets is likely to remain the biggest winner, while the US dollar and the global equities is likely to remain under pressure. And finally, gold next resistance stands at 1,380. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest breaking news, reports, and analysis. Thank you for watching.